Hello, in front of me I've got Seat Leon. In this video I'll show you common problems and repair costs of this car. Let's start with common problems. Infotainment glitches. Infotainment sometimes freeze, restarts and lag, especially in early 2021 units. Software updates often solve this. DSG gearbox issues, jerky shifting and reliability concerns, mainly in 7-speed version on smaller engines. Engine problems, turbo issues, smoke, leaks, water pump failure and carbon buildup if service schedules aren't followed. Electrical quirks, sensors, warning light errors are not uncommon. Now let's talk about typical repair costs. For UK average 2025, engine 1,000 to 224 pounds, gearbox 1,144 pounds, electrical 389 pounds, brakes 816 pounds, suspension 242 pounds. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.